Yes, we do have a 2x4 and a 4x2.
Oh, I just messed up. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to do a little tutorial here today, and disclaimer, we've never done this before. And like I said in our daily video,
we always do our projects we've never done
I know.
before, so that's the way it goes.
We're the expert doing it for the first time. So we are going to make a little table that goes behind our couch upstairs in our little kids playroom slash loft area.
One thing you need to do before you start this project is you need to measure the length. You want to see how high it comes. Do you want it to go above the back of the couch, equal with the back of the couch? Keep in mind that if people sit down, are they going to hit their head on it? Things like that. So you need to measure all those things prior to going to build it. That's one thing you got to do. We already did that.
And meanwhile,
little munchkin.
Little munchkin right here.
All right.
Okay. Let's go and build a couch table.
All right. We have a 2x8 or an 8x2, however you want to describe it.
Watch our vlog style to understand that.
So we're going to, oh, you're not going to put that in this video?
No, I'm not.
So now we're going to cut our length.
Which is going to be, for us, it's going to be 89 inches.
89.
Okay, now we're doing our legs on the 2x4, and they're going to be 27.5 inches tall to account for the width of the, or the depth of the top board. So a total of 29 inches for the whole table. All right, so this is the idea that we're going with here.
There's different ways to do it. It all depends on how much you want the legs offset or not. Some people will do it like this and make a real narrow table.
We think we need more stability.
I think I want to go with stability, so we were thinking something like that.
And not have these not on the edge of the board,
yeah,
down here, but inset just a little bit.
We'll build our frame and try to do that. Yeah, they're inset, and then you just screw in like this, and do one here, and that creates your nice frame, and then you put the topper on it. Okay, so now we're creating our legs here, and basically our clamps aren't big enough to do both, but you need to pre-drill so you don't split the wood. But we're gonna pre-drill our holes and have it here, then we're gonna take this side, flip it over, and basically create like a box. Create a box with our legs, which we will then attach the top to. Okay, so we have created this box, basically, which the table topper is going to go on top here. This will be the top of the table. And so we have...
It's not all screwed together, that's why I'm holding it.
Yeah, it's not all screwed together, but this is basically what it looks like. And those are the legs. These are the legs and...
Crossbar.
Crossbar, good job.
Yeah.
So this is what happened.
What happened, hun?
Well, I ran out of battery.
And who's stuck holding all the boards?
You're doing a good job. Oh, crap.
Yeah, it's probably uneven now.
You're doing a good job. So as you can see, Dana and I made our frame, and then basically we've got our topper here, which I think this is kind of nice. Well, this will go on, and we have 12-inch overhang, which we'll figure out. But first, I'm gonna sand it. And Dana usually does this, but she's looking good today, so I'm gonna do it.
Thank you. All right, so we've got everything sanded down and we've got a stain picked out here. We're gonna use Jacobean by Minwax to go ahead and stain these. We're gonna stain them separately and then we will attach them all together. All right, got it all stained, and now we're going to attach the top to the bottom. We're not making this fancy. We could have done pocket hole screws on the side as well as on the top, but it's not going to be seen. So we can just make it as is, like this, with screws. That's it, you guys. It's all done and put behind our couch up here, and we'll decorate it later, but I'm glad that we've got it in. Turned out pretty good. So that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Come back for more if you're interested in projects and daily life here in our house. Take care.
Yes, we do have a 2x4 and a 4x2.
Oh, I just messed up. He's just laughing at me. We're filming this tutorial and
we just got to make sure we got some 1x1s with also 1x1s.
You're such a schmuck.
Just make sure you do the height before you do the width.
All right.
Especially with the 1x1s.
Okay, I'm really regretting deciding to do this project with him. I just slipped. I'm very tired. I'm very tired.
I'll make mistakes.
Okay.